That was the Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies.
Ready to leave?
Yeah. Yep. Whoa. Yeah.
Daddy,
Potty, babe.
Daddy, I want to go in.
Hey, N. Where are you? Do you see it?
Good touch of jellyfish. I haven't never touched.
You gonna get wet?
Converse. Y'all have the exact same fit. That's probably why.
Where? Where was it?
Wait, I want to take a picture. That's axolotl, look! Look! Holy crap, no, they're fat!
They're that small. Exact same thing.
Would you stop talking about my twin? My doppelganger? Doppelganger?
Exactly like your child. Size of faces.
I don't know.
Life support system.
It's colorful. Mother Nature's filters.
Daddy, what is that? That's a sea.
Tube anemones.
Abby, look at these.
Oh yeah, you get to walk through them down there.
Oh, I want to do that.
We haven't even, that was just the one part.
I'm not climbing.
You want to get on it? He literally says, watch your step.
I thought he meant a step. I thought he meant.
What did you do, Noah?
Emergency stop.
I didn't know.
Noah. Look up, Noah. Look.
What is that?
Big. Fishy, fishy.
Look at that fat fish. He's thick.
Hudson.
Abby, look at Bubba's.
Look at it, just his eyes. Not his feet. I said, boy, his feet. I said his feet, not his.
Hard pass. Go in.
Take your shoes off.
Go. Go on, Abby. Go.
You want to go?
Guys, we do need to keep this
walkway open for just a couple minutes, okay?
You should all go in.
Where's Hudson? All right, come on.
Ooh, look at the big fat jelly.
Noah, look at me.
This crab don't look real.
This is fake.
It looks
It's
like a
real.
video.
No, it's not.
It's mesmerizing.
Daddy, volcano's over here. Daddy.
Wait, is it called a spider crab?
Yeah.
That's funny because I said it looked like a spider.
Oh, I hate those.
Imagine that.
But I'll be so scared.
Imagine that grazing your leg when you're in the ocean.
Daddy.
Ring of fire.
Abby, come here. Abby, this is a movie. You built the earth. You built the earth. Abby, the earth.
What are you doing in the volcano? You can let go, Noah. Peyton just came out of a volcano. That's something you don't see every day.
This land of water.
Warm weather penguins.
Abby, they're all chilling on the bottom. They're chilling now. Abby, make a face.
Look at his eyes right there.
We'll be admitting the room to one for you are remaining standing.
Look, guys, look at his eyes right there.
There's a guy in there.
I know. Peyton, do you see it? Whoa. Aww,
Now, in the wild, these guys
Look,
will
Noah,
mate.
Noah, look.
However, in
It's Charlie.
captivity, say they mate for a season. But we do have one true mated pair here at Ripley, and that is Coco and Paula.
Look down, Noah. There's a penguin under you.
Abby! Abby! Come in!
Go, Noah. Go, Jude.
Oh.
Oh, look at Peyton. Dee, look at Peyton waving at him. No, she is. Yeah. Go on, Peyton. She's got it.
She got it.
Yep. All right, go pee. It's your size. Don't push her, Betty. All right, show her. That's
So if you walk around, other than the little green guy, you look at the tip of their tail, you'll see a little white spot. This marks their oil gland. So this is how they're able to water the feathers when they swim. That way they fly.
oh.
So as I mentioned before, these are warm weather penguins.
What's it? It wants Noah.
I look at him, I don't like him.
Noah, what'd you do to the penguin, man? It looks like it's beefing with you. Now what's that?
Y'all are gonna need to.
Oh my goodness. Oh. I thought it was going to Noah again.
Let's swim over to the wall. Please lift your hands out of the water until they swim by. That is for our animals' health and safety, as our devil rays and sharks can get sick due to human touch. It is just our brown or spotted stingrays that we can reach with the pet. Now, if you did this our penguin parade today, do not worry. We have penguin feet.